My Little's LED finger flashlight gloves may come in handy when you need a flashlight in the dark, but need to use both hands for the task, such as working with cables or cars, or even for fishing. Each glove contains 2 LED lights, which allow you to point at whatever you are working on at the moment. It is made out of cotton, which is breathable and stretchy, and it contains a Velcro to easily adjust the glove to your wrist, allowing it to fit most hand sizes. It is easy to use since there is an on-off switch and you don't require to hold a flashlight. The product already includes a screwdriver and a battery that lasts for 30 hours and can be replaced.
Smart, multi-intelligence, electric wine aerator. A new breakthrough in wine aerators. Stylish curved-shaped, representing high-tech. Food-grade silicone tube, safe and green. Easy to assemble. One-button operation, start and pause conveniently. Blue window for pouring wine accurately. Red, green, yellow power indicator. It uses high-pressure, red light, magnet to aerate the wine quickly. 100 times the effect of natural aeration since multiple purposes are achieved instantly, taking in, pouring, and oxidizing the wine. Be with good wine and savor it right after aeration. Get the mellowed, flavored wine with aroma wafting through the air. Enjoy tons of flavor and cheer for a moment together. USB rechargeable. Only 3 to 4 hours needed. Aerate 60 to 80 bottles of 750 milliliters wine each time. Easy to clean. Just to wipe the surface. Velvet storage bag for easy storage and carrying. Smart, multi-intelligence electric wire aerator.